through the crowd, signals all around, heartbeats sync the beats. But I'm homeward bound, skip the static in my mind. Tune into my breath, inhale peace, exhale stress. Defy the daily test, tending echoes in my chest. In this moment I invest, every worry fades away, every doubt finds rest. Rhymes like affirmations, I'm enough, I confess. Anchored in the here and now, I release the unrest. I see the noise but I choose silent. Mindful living, drop the vibe, violence. Each inhale is a gentle riot. Revolution of calm, I stay quiet. Zen in the noise, peace in the fight. Light in the dark, I claim my right. Every breath, healing tide guides me home, I reside inside. Zen in the noise, clearing the haze. Anchored in truth, these mindful days. Soft affirmations fill the void. Here and now, I'm clear, I'm poised. City lights flicker, but my vision steady. In a calm rising, every thought is ready to drop the weight of doubt, let go of the fight. Subliminal affirmations run deep in the night. I'm safe, I'm strong, whispered under breath. Flowing through the streets, conquering the stress. Every bar spits a vow to progress. Mindful in the madness, I own my success. I am calm, I am free. My mind is clear, my heart at ease. I release fear, I welcome peace. Zen in the noise, I breathe. Zen in the noise, peace in the fight. Light in the dark, I claim my right. Every breath, healing tide guides me home, I reside inside. Zen in the noise, clearing the haze. Anchored in truth, these mindful days. Soft affirmations fill the void. Here and now, I'm clear, I'm poised.